Hello and welcome to Crew Excellence. I'm your cabin crew coach and mentor Diksha. Today in this video we are going to talk about ATS approved resume. You must have heard it a lot in many videos, people saying that your resume should be an ATS approved while you're filling the application form, especially for international airlines or any big company that you're applying for. This is applicable for all the jobs. This is not specific to aviation or cabin crew industry. Now, what ATS is? ATS is a software which the recruiters or basically the employers use to shortlist the resume. This is majorly used by big companies or airlines, those who get thousands of resumes or applications for a one job opening. So it is very difficult for them to manually check them and shortlist them. Now what they do is they fill out all the details regarding the job descriptions, roles and responsibilities, what all skills and qualities they are looking for in a candidate. That software scan your resume and check for all the skills, qualities that matches with the job profile. More it matches, the more your chances become of getting selected. On the basis of that, it gives you a score. So your ATS score of your resume should be above 90 for it to get shortlisted. How to make it? You have to follow a few steps. First, your template should be simple and easy to read. Remember, this is not a human being. This is a machine that would be reading your resume. So it should not be very appealing or eye-catching, but should be focused on the terms, words, keywords, so that it can catch and scan those things. So make sure you are mentioning a lot about your skills, your strengths, achievements, detail about the descriptions of your past experience if you have, what were the roles and responsibilities. The more details you will give in your resume, the more are the chances of it to get selected. Another point is always use the headers and make the bullet points of all the details that you are mentioning. For example, make a heading of skills and then add your skills in a bullet point. You can also elaborate your skills. Same way, strengths, and then you can elaborate your strength in a bullet point. That's way it is easier for the software to recognize or to read or to scan your resume, and your chances of getting selected increases. So these are the basic tips that you have to follow for your ATS approved resume. How to check the ATS score of your resume? You can use a lot of AI tools and softwares available online. Many of them are free of cost, many of them are chargeable. You can also use basic platforms like ChatGPT to check the score of your resume. You just have to upload your resume on those sites or softwares, and that will scan and give you a score. It will also help you giving you suggestion what you can make the changes in your resume to make it more impressive and to increase your score. So this is what all ATS score is all about. Now, ATS approved resume is only important when you are filling the online application. So if you are applying for a company wherein you have to fill out the online application and they are using those software, there is the place you need your ATS approved resume. If you are going for walk-in interviews, you are going for face-to-face interviews, then you don't need an ATS approved resume. Then you need an impressive resume. It should be eye-catchy, use good template, colors, picture of yours, make it more impressive and make it more simple to read and easy to understand, because that resume you would be handing over to the recruiter. So there are differences in both the resumes, and you can also make two resumes, one for the online application, another for the face-to-face interview while you will be going. But make sure the details are the same. You cannot mention different skills or experience in both the resumes, but you can make it in a different concept or using different templates, of course. If you need your ATS approved resume with score more than 90, you can also contact my team of Crew Excellence. They will make it for you at a very minimal charges. There are many other such organizations or companies that provide you with these services, so you can also take help from that. If you need more details, if you have any confusion, don't forget to comment down. I will definitely reply you. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you are updated with all the good and valuable videos that I would be sharing with you. Till then, I would take your leave. All the best for your future.